I'm provided with a picture and I know the center is at O. I'm going to use the process of elimination to determine which of the following does not appear in this figure. So let's start with acute triangles. I know acute triangle means that when we look at the interior angles of a triangle, none of the angles will be above 90 degrees. So let's start with this triangle. I know that O is at the center, and these two lengths represent the radius, and the radius are going to be equal within a circle. So these two lengths are equivalent. And if these two lengths are equivalent, I'm looking at an isosceles triangle. That means I also have two angles down below that are going to be equivalent. So the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180, and I'm provided with one of the angles being 60. That means these two other remaining angles must add up to 120. Not only do they add up to 120, we know that they're equivalent in size. When I take 120 and divide it by 2, I end up with 60. So what does this share with us? Well, none of the angles are above 90. That means this is an example of an acute triangle. This is also an example, as I stated earlier, of an isosceles triangle because two of the three sides are equivalent. An equilateral triangle means that all angles are equivalent and all sides are equivalent. Well, because all angles are 60, that means all sides are equivalent. This other triangle already shows us a 90-degree angle, so we have a right triangle. So using process of elimination, I know the correct answer should be E.